suck out that last little bit of oil. Need a pliers. It's replaced. So what I will need, I need to hurry up and get this out of there.
Here is the existing one taken out. There was a plug right in here that was unscrewed to switch over to the new one because it used a different plug.
All right, so make sure you're looking at your plugs. So this is the original plug that came on here. If you notice the size difference. So obviously, even though we put in the right make and model of our car and the year, this will fit. Everything is an exact mirror. The only difference is it had the wrong plug. And then also here, I believe this is a coolant temp sensor. And this one is also not on our original. So either you just don't hook it up, or in my case, I'm gonna take it out and plug it because we don't need this port.